Guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the Coupon Camp. Today I want to do a quick video on Walgreens pickup and with this tissue so that people can grab the tissue at different stores. It's actually easier to get it on a online pickup than it is to walk in the store and get it. So let's go ahead and try it. So first of all, go to your Walgreens app. You're going to have to probably try different stores because this is my third store that I tried. Sorry, guys, I'm so shaky. I'm using my phone because that's the way pickup goes. You have to use your phone. So I tried, this will be my third time. I did the Super Premium Ultra Soft Bath Tissue. It's 4 each. They're $1.99 in Walgreens. Now, if you watch my Walgreens video come out on Monday or Sunday, you'll see that I did show that tissue and it was $1.99. So that's how it looks. Make sure that it says pickup, punch pickup. It's going to turn blue. Once you see that, put in how many you need. Now I added already mine in there. I added 4. So let's go to the shopping cart and you're going to hit it. Hit the shopping cart. It's going to show you what's in there. It's a pickup 5 because I had already done it. Spend 5 more for a free pickup, $10 minimum order. So there you go. It's in the cart right there. See, it says $7. And then one is $1.99. Now go back because we want to get something else. So go back on your app. Go back again. And this time I'm going to add in paper towel. And the reason why you want to do this is because you want to make sure that you get that $10 threshold. But I'm just adding it in because this is the order I did and I received swag bucks back. I did receive Walgreens bucks and I used Walgreens bucks. So let me see if they have paper towel. So that was one thing they was running out of also. Was the paper towel. So we're gonna look for, there it is, the Scott paper towel. Now I use my coupon, so the coupon is not gonna pop up for me, but I'm gonna show you some pictures. I have put in 3 of those, added for a pickup. Okay, so it says added to my cart. Every time it say that, I go and view my cart. Go view your cart. See, $15 for that. And then you got the Walgreens tissue. Okay, $24 free. Sales pickup is say $26. That's not what we're looking for. You're going to go to where it says promo code. Add in WAG 20. So let's do WAG 20. Okay, let's see what it did for you. And it gave you $2 off, as you can see. Now go back to that code again, add in get 10, and let's see if it gives you one for that. Okay, that code you got to sign in, as you can see. So use my username. I'm going to sign in, okay? Just hold on one second. Okay, so I signed in and I have $11.16. Now, this was after my first order, guys, okay? This is not the order that I'm doing now, okay? So let's go back to that. It's going to tell me hi. It told me hi. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Save Shop and Save. Showing me what I have in my buggy already. Now, what I want to do now is add in some more things. Okay, so the next thing I added in was the Dove Deep Moisture Body Wash. It's going to ask you if you want to substitute any of these things. I hit any brand similar because it's going to still give you the bucks, everything you're supposed to get off of it. So it's going to ask you for each one of those, did you want to substitute? Now, I had to screenshot off my other phone because my coupon was not applying on that one. I think it's because I already did this order. So once you do that, you go through it. It's going to tell you your pickup. See, it's going to tell you your totals on each one. I added in a Dove. Once I did that, see, I added in all my promo codes. So if you look at the promo codes, it gave me $7 for the Dove, $2 off for the Wag, $3.75 for the Scott paper towel, and I added 3 of those, guys, remember that. And then it gave me get 10, and it gave me $1.24 off. Okay, you see all of those were applied. Once it was applied, it was $38.95, $7 off, free pickup, sales tax was $2.51, and then my WAG manufacturer coupons were $7. It came up to $26.87, but I'm going to get $9.74 back from Walgreens. I actually used $10 in Walgreens cash, and I still got back my money, guys. So this is the thing. If you're going to get a Walgreens, if you're going to use Walgreens cash, then you have to make sure you meet that threshold over it. Over what you're doing after those coupons are taken off. So you need to make sure you meet. It's a buy deal. Let me take that back. If you have to buy, then you can use Walgreens cash. It's the spend is what the problem is, okay? So a lot of people say they didn't get it back. Yes, I did. Now, you saw at the beginning where I have $11, right? Now, look, it's going to give me that back. I went and picked up. I did everything I had. And this is on my other phone. This is not my phone. So I'm going to show you my receipt where I got it back. And let's look at the products. So when your Walgreens stuff comes, it's going to look like this. It's going to be in a Walgreens bag. And anything they can't bag up, it's going to be on this. Okay? It's going to put it on one of these. So when I did that first order, here's my receipt right here. This is my first order. You see that? Subtotals. That's all of it. Walgreens savings. Let's go down. See? Balance. $11.16. I still got my money back. After I use, because it's going to tell you after I use my $10 in Walgreens cash, okay? And it does tell you on the phone what you use. You do not get a receipt. What I had to do was I had to buy something to see if my cash was still on it. And so what I did was I went back and bought more tissue. That's what I did. And then I bought these. People sleep on this. Don't be sleep on these, guys. These are $1.99 also, and these are $1.99. So you want to make sure that you include all of that in there. Oh no! So when I went in, I bought some more stuff. Now this, I got the first deal I done. Bought these Doves, and I did these. See, so I'm doing them on different phones. So this is the thing. I have one more left on another phone where I can include the Dove in there. I'm going to do that deal again on another phone at another place. So I got 5 tissues the first time. And so let me get them out the bags, guys. Sorry for all this noise. So we got tissue, okay? Okay, so this was my first order that I did. Walgreens pickup, but you have to do it online. You can use your Walgreens cash. You have to make sure that it's a buy deal. These are buys. You could buy these, and these are buys. I got $5 back for this and $3 back for this. So this was $8. But after you add promo codes in and everything, then you get back more money. Mine actually went to $7 on the first deal. Then you see this next deal that I'm doing, it's up to $9, and that's the deal I'm gonna do today. All right, so make sure, guys, that you do that deal. The tissue is hot. It's going quickly. I have 2 more tissues so I have 8 altogether in total. So this the thing, guys. The cashiers do not even know that these are on sale. I went and bought them, and the cashier was like, "Oh, those came up to $1.99." I'm like, "Yeah, they're on sale. Don't you know that? It's like the big thing this week." So, guys, yes, use your WAG bucks if you're buying. If your deal say buy, you can use your WAG bucks. Okay, use them. And I hope I'm saying how much the price I got back right was on this. It was either $4 or $5, but I still flipped money back. Now the deal that I did online yesterday is gonna be three. It was five of these. It was three of these, and then it was two of these, and I got back $9.97. That's the deal that I'm going to do today. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Go and hit up these Walgreens and grab this paper. This is a great stock up deal for anyone starting a stockpile and for newbies. It's super simple to do. Search a store around value that has this tissue in stock. Bye.